Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby. Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a Stella McCartney unboxing. Now in the title I'm probably going to tell you what the bag is. Sorry, spoiler, but it is not a joke. It's not clickbait about me getting a free Stella McCartney Falabella bag. And if you guys want to know how I got this free bag, then keep on watching. All right, so let's begin with the unboxing and then I will tell you the story. Okay, so this bag came from Belgium. Can you guess? It's from another YouTuber. Guess, Belgium YouTuber, luxury YouTuber, amazing person, very funny, hilarious, great style, has a huge heart. Yes, that's the right person. But anyways, let me get this this YouTuber. I got it from a YouTuber. She is my friend and I love her so much. Okay, so actually I'm going to read the card. It says Tabby and then I'll be right back. BRB. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not usually this giddy and super emotional, well, and this like excited and whatever, because this unboxing really is such a huge deal. So let's just open it and I'll let you see what it is. And then, so this person, my friend, I'll tell you in a little bit, sent me a dust bag too with it. It's not a Louis Vuitton bag, but it is a really, really nice drawstring dust bag, which is actually a gift in itself, if you know what I mean. Okay. Oh, and it smells beautiful. Okay. So I have actually, I'm not very well versed in this, but I have the Stella McCartney Falabella bag in silver hardware, and it still has its Vestiaire Collective tags connected. Guys, I'm sorry. Okay, so you're probably wondering, before we get into the bag, let me tell you the story. All right. That's for you, girl. Okay, well anyway, so the reason and how I got Stella McCartney bag is I have been looking for this bag for actually quite a while. And my very, very dearest good friend, YouTube best friend, Carol Summer, guys, if you don't know her, what are you doing? She is literally my favorite YouTuber in the luxury world, especially because, to be honest, like, she's so authentic, she's hilarious, she speaks how it is, she's not, you know, she's just so true to who she is, and her bags are, man, handbag goals. But not really just that, she's just an incredibly good person. And so throughout the years, I think somehow we reached out to each other, probably because I stalked her or something. But anyways, we became good friends and we talk and chat all the time. And so I was doing research because this was like maybe in November-ish, I was looking for a Falabella bag. The first reason I like it is because first, it's super edgy. Second, it's vegan. And the reason I say vegan is obviously you guys know that it's not real leather, it's pleather. Stella McCartney uses faux leather. And where I live, and I know I say where I live, but truly, honestly, it's a different culture here. And in Boulder, Colorado, I'm telling you, the people are very interesting here, but in a good way, and sometimes not so good, but mostly good. And, you know, they're all about eating healthy, about like saving the earth and not wearing leather. And I'm not like really that into it, but I am into health. And sometimes I just want to have a bag that is carefree and not leather and not to really worry about just really anything in general. And I just feel like I've always loved the style of this. Several years ago, it was very popular. Tons of girls were buying it, and then it kind of just disappeared, and you'll see it once in a while, and I just always have wanted this bag. Now, I started doing research, and the prices are like, they range from a couple $100s to the high like $800-900s and sometimes even $1,000. I was like, what the? Like usually like with Louis Vuitton bags and Chanel bags, I can get the gist of like how much they might cost, what they should be, you know, how much they should cost, pre-loved or vintage. I'm really good with that. But Stella McCartney is a whole new world for me, so I had no idea. And I knew my girl Carol had this bag, and if you haven't seen her video, you'll see why she doesn't like it. She actually, I'm just gonna do a spoiler. It's a little hint, and I'm gonna put a little video in too. guys, I love SNL. I grew up watching SNL, and when I saw her put that clip in, I was like, oh my gosh, this is why I love you as a friend. You love SNL, you love my humor, one of my favorite comedy skits. And Carol, I'm gonna put another video in for you. so so basically Carol could not stand this bag because in her video, and I'll link it down below, she can't stand the jingle jangling of this like cowbell sound of the Stella McCartney bag, and I personally like it. It reminds me of, you know how like the Tiffany bracelets, the heart ones, were really popular back in the days, and they used to be jingle and jangle. And I still have, I should have wore that so I could have had double jangle to annoy you, Carol. But yeah, I personally don't mind the sound at all. And Carol, I reached out to Carol and I said, Carol, like, what do you think is a good price? Like, do you still have your bag or did you sell it? Like, what do you think is a good price for me to buy this pre-loved? And Carol's like, girl, I still have it. Like, I've always wanted to send you something nice because, you know, Carol's just super sweet, and we really connect and bond, and we have the similar sense of humor, and hopefully one day we can really meet each other in person. Anyway, she's like, I've been wanting to send something to you, and she's like, please don't search anymore. I'm going to send this to you. And I was like, I was very taken back. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so sweet. But I was like, Carol, no, like, you need to sell it. You need to like do something with it. And, you know, Carol was like, the hassle's too much to sell it, and I don't really want to do that, and I want to give it to someone that will enjoy it and cherish it. And she's like, if you don't like it, it's okay. You can cut the cowbell off, or you can sell it if you would like. And I was like, no, Carol, no. And she insisted, and I was, you know, don't worry, guys. I'm not just going to take this for free. When she comes to the U.S., you know your girl's going to take her everywhere and hook her up. But, yeah, like, I'll take care of you, girl. Don't worry. But either way, it's not about that. It's a thought that, like, Carol was just so genuinely sweet to send this to me. And a backstory to it. Actually, do you guys even want to see the bag a little bit more? Oh, I forgot, guys. I'm going to pop in real quick because I forgot to show you the inside. I was so excited. And JT actually just walked in. He's like, I can't tell it's not real leather. But anyways, the inside is a beautiful, like, pink lighting. I can hear you in the background, honey. Your video.
Oh, you can hear it?
I can hear you.
Oh, sorry.
The inside is this beautiful pink-ish color. It says Stella McCartney. And then in the inside as well, there is a Stella McCartney pocket. And then you can open it. And then it has the Stella McCartney card. And then it says it uses non-leather vegetarian materials. And then so forth. And I love it. So it's basically a pink hole, not a big black hole, a big pink hole. Does that sound weird? Okay. Well, anyways, so yes, that's the inside of the bag. It has a magnetic clasp right here. And I love it. Do you like it, JT?
Love it.
You love it. You love it? No, honestly, what do you think of this bag?
Yeah, I think it looks familiar to me. I don't know why. Like the chains, everything. It almost looks like a
Chanel?
Chanel
Don't come
chain.
there. Don't you dare.
It does. I thought it was a Chanel chain. It looks like a Chanel bag.
Well, hey, you
From a
guys,
novice.
stay tuned because I'm going to have JT in another video one of these days, and he's going to rate a couple of my bags. So we'll get
But it
his...
does have a Western modern vibe too. Like that looks almost like a cowboy
edgy,
vibe,
but
edgy,
cowgirl,
yeah,
but
yeah,
chic, and
yeah.
it fits bolder because it's vegan.
Or Wyoming, or you know, depending on where you're at. But
Yeah. You know what? Why Kara doesn't like it? Because she says it sounds like a cowbell.
Yeah.
But I don't mind.
You're not gonna sneak up on anybody.
So basically, if you guys are curious as to how it is shipping from Belgium to the US, typically, I don't think it's a huge deal, but because of COVID and because of what's going on is during the holidays, and I actually spoke to the mailwoman today, and so basically Carol sent it out December 12th, and then she was tracking it, and then it got to the customs in the US December, I think 23rd, and I think sometimes if it gets stuck in customs, it's 30 to 45 days in customs, and sometimes it just slides past customs. And thankfully they haven't opened it or did anything that I know of. So I asked when I went to go check my mailbox, the mail lady was there, and I was like, oh my gosh, like it's January 19th and it got into customs December 23rd. That was such a long time, but you know, it's all good. It's like another Christmas gift or a Happy New Year gift. And she's like, yeah, it usually doesn't happen that long, but recently it's been happening like that because of COVID, because of the holidays, because people aren't in school, people are sending things more like online orders and stuff like that. So that is the reason why. And Carol was checking in, but patience is a virtue because all good things come with patience. And I'm just so happy. I just really, the jingle and jangling of this bag does not bother me at all. It's in immaculate condition. Wow, it's in really, really good condition. Now, Carol ordered this, and I don't want to tell her whole bag story, but I ordered it a couple years ago, the Messier collection, and it still has its tags on, and it says very good condition. She actually ordered it, to be specific, 31 August 2018, and it's authentic, verify, so forth. I've never ordered from Vestiaire Collective, but yeah, I'll have to one day, but that's just so cool. And it's just beautiful. Take a look at it. I believe it's called the fold over tote, but I'll do a few mod shots for you guys. I think you're gonna see the light in the background, but that's okay. That's real life, guys. So you can wear it like this. Ugh. Like this. And then once you wear it with the longer strap, you can wear it over your shoulder and it folds over. And you can't really see it actually with my outfit, but you can see a little. So cute. So like, can you wear a crossbody? No, you can't. But yeah, I hear that it fits a lot and it's just a great bag. And if you guys want to review, if you want to know what fits in this bag, don't forget to leave your comments below. If you have any questions or anything, leave your comments and questions down below. I'm sorry that this was so like, so scatterbrained. It's just, I was so excited and so genuinely thankful. Thank you so much, Carol. And thank you to all of you guys that have been super like supportive and everything. And I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. And I don't think I forgot any information, but if I did, I'll leave it in the next video. This is just a quick unboxing and story time. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. If you like videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.